Hello everyone, I am making this video to document my journey. This is the starting point. This is the journey from zero to becoming the best white hat hacker in the world in Web3 especially. So, I learned about Web3 bug bounties and contest in February 2025. So then I started learning about it. I did bit of competition and bug hunting. I got lot of rejection. Even I sometime put a good bug. It was valid, but I got rejected. So it is a part of this journey. Anything we do in life, it will get harder and lot of rejection till we. That's why 99% of people aren't doing Web3 security or anything which is hard to do, and that's the opportunity. So I also gave up many time in this journey, and I was also not sure that even I want to do it or not. First, it was just checking that if I want to do it or not, and I was also doing AI hacking, web 2 hacking and all this stuff. I was doing lot of things, YouTube and all of that stuff, but I was not sure which I want to do. But after trying and also understanding that anything in life is hard, it's a high paying skill, so it will take a lot of work and effort, but up level of income is very high here, no cap I think, because if you are very good in the world of it, if good than anybody in the world, you can make 100K, 200K, $1 million every single month or even more. So there is not cap here. So and also anything I do, I am not feeling that anything like that challenging me. This is something that is challenging and you have to learn a lot. So that's why I am doing it and committing this time. Even it takes 1 month, no 1 month and I am not getting result. Even it is taking 1 year, that much result I am not getting. No matter how long it will take, I will do it. And last time I was not putting that much effort because I was not sure that if I want to do this or not. I started my challenge on Twitter of making 100K in a year and putting in and doing day one, day two, but I was not putting that much effort. I was doing it side a little bit, but this time it is my full time, and this time I will not give up, and I will put in effort as much as it will take and as long as it take, and I will do it, and this time I will win. And that's why I have created this channel. Here I will give weekly update and document my journey so that people who are starting can also have a hope that if I can make it, they can also make it. So it will be the journey from zero. Right now I am earning nothing in any in life. I am not earning anything right now. It is from zero and I am living in India. So this is from journey from zero to becoming the best white hat Web3 hacker. Okay, I will also doing contest and bug bounty. So I am starting with contest. The first goal is to make 10K a month, and I have to do this consistently because 1K a month is a bit low, but not that low. But 1K a month is a bit low, but 10K a month is where life changes so rapidly. So 10K a month, if I am able, I will be able to achieve it. And after that, we will be increasing our goal to 100K a month, $1 million a month, and keep increasing it. So yeah, join me in this journey. I will be giving you weekly update and I will see you in my next video.